Hi lovelies, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing it really, really well. So I just wanted to hop on and show you all the PR I got. I'd probably say in the last 4 to 6 weeks. So let's go through with it. Some of it's kind of household things. The first thing being, this was the first thing that came to me. And I really, really, really love it. If you're after a good mascara, if you're after a good high-end mascara with volume and definition, I would say Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes. I've used it so many times now, so I've been using it non-stop since they sent it to me, and I'm really glad I've got it as part of my mascara collection. Would I buy it at full price though? I mean, I think at full price it's either £21 or £23 in the UK, but you can get a travel size which is about £10. I don't know. I mean, sometimes the travel sizes aren't the same. They don't have the same brushes. They have smaller brushes, so they don't work as well. So I don't know if I would buy it, but I am glad to have tried it. And then all this in this bag, I've not tried. So it's not even a first impression. I'm just going to show you what they've sent me. So firstly, I need to use this very, very soon. This is the hairspray they sent me. Now, I don't normally do hairspray, but sometimes I do kind of twists, like I straighten my hair and twist them, so it'd be good for that. Big bottle. I think it's like a full-size bottle. So it's the, it's humidity frizz control. Now, it's very, very humid. I checked recently and it said it was 90% humidity in the UK, so that'd be good for that. It's by Weller and Silvercrane, 5+ hold, up to 48 hour. And it's got jojoba oil. Is it jojoba oil or jojoba oil? I think it's a jojoba oil, isn't it? So I got that as well. I don't know what it retails for. What I'll do is I'll put the prices down here. I know that retails for 21 or 23 pounds. I'll go and have a look and see what it retails for, definitely, so I can let you know. I mean, before Christmas, the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes mascara was on sale. I think it was on sale for about £18. I don't know if it's still on sale. Then this one came in a box. The reason I'm laughing is because my mum put it in one of her bags so it wouldn't spill out everywhere. It's just laundry detergent. So let me just rip this bag open. And I am glad to have it because laundry detergent costs a lot of money. So Comfort Fresh, next level freshness and softness in Spring Blossom, and you're getting 31 washes. So I won't have to buy any until I've used it up. Oh, it smells really, really nice, guys. So I got that as well. If you're wondering where I got them from, I got them from Influenster. So Influencer work with brands, and then the brand and Influencer reach out to people that may want to try these products, and you're leaving a completely unbiased opinion, an unbiased review. You don't have to say you like it if you don't like it. Just tell people what you actually think. I do feel like the people in US get better products than us in the UK, but we are getting better with our products. I'll just put that down there, and then there's one more. There's actually 2 more. They have sent me a lot of products, I think 5 or 6 items. So we've got 1, 2, 3 fabric softener for this Vaseline Glue to Hair Serum Gloss Tinted Lip Care Plump and Dewy in the shade Royal Plum. I wanted more of a pink. I feel like this is too dark. I mean, I need to try it on with makeup. I've had it on once or twice. Really, really do like the way it is on my lips, the way it feels on my lips. I don't notice any plumping effect. There's certainly not any tingling effect. But like I said, I've only tried it once or twice. So I'll show you how it comes. So it looks like that. And then you can see I've used it. So it's got like a silicone applicator. It's a little bit messy, but for free, what can you expect? Right, and then I had the opportunity to work with Nukes, Influenster and Nukes, but all the women's skincare had gone. So I saw this, and it's a men's skincare product. I don't care about that. If it works for a man, it's going to work for a woman just as well. So it's the Nukes Men Boost, oh that's in French, and Revitalizing Global Anti-Aging Fluid. I think this is a moisturiser. says Alva 3R technology. I'm almost sure this is a moisturiser, so that's what I'll use it as. So that's the product there, and you're getting 50 mils, 1.7 ounces net weight. So I'm just really appreciative that all these brands have sent me these products with Influenster. I just need to obviously try them and then make my reviews, and then they'll always send other products out. If you don't do a review, if you say you're going to do a review and you don't do it, they'll just stop sending you the products. And I've got one Amazon package. It's nothing much, so let me get that. Right, why they put it in a great big bag like that, I don't know. Right, so I'm journaling this year. I was journaling last year as well, but I want to take it up a notch. So I've got some washi tapes, and I also got these for my project panning as well to mark things off. So I'm going to show you. These are beautiful, so the celestial moon and the stars and things like that. And if you know me, and if you know me well, you know I like the moon and the stars. So we've got this one here. It's got things all around it. So that one there, I'm just going to put them where I keep my journal. This one is my favourite. That's definitely going on my journal rather than on makeup to mark things. So that one there. Love this one as well. The celestial moon and the stars. Nearly. I've got too much stuff on my vanity. Really like that one too. And if you're wondering, I did get them from Amazon, like I said. They were only £3.99 for 12 washi tapes, which I think's good. I mean, you don't get much on the roll, do you? But you don't need much. Again, some more stars. This one's the same as what I've just shown you. Oh, this one's got star signs on it. Leo, Gemini, Cancer. Yeah, this one's full of star signs. I didn't know that. This one I really like as well. It's just like that ombre effect. Yeah, this one I like as well. I like them all, but some I like more than others. Then we've got two more. And I think I've shown you that one already. And this one I've shown you as well. This one's the horoscopes, I think. Oh, no, it's not. It's more stars. So, guys, that's everything. Let me know if you journal, if you use washi tape. Let me know if you project pan, if you use washi tape, because I know a lot of project pan use washi tape to actually make it look pretty, and you can mark the progress every month, which I'm going to be doing in 2026. I am doing the 26 in 2026, if you don't know. Looking forward to doing that. This is everything I got in my PR off Influenster and the selected brands. If you're not on Influenster, I would highly recommend it. Like I said, if you live in the States and Canada, I think you'll get better products than what I've got, but I'm happy with the products that I've got. I'm really happy with this hairspray now I've looked at it closer. Just the fact that it's got humidity, frizz control on it. Next time I wash my hair, it's been washed recently, I'm going to use that hairspray. It needs a little bit mousse down here, so I'm going to put some mousse on like now before I go out. There isn't going to be a live stream today. I don't know when this video is going up, but when I say today, I mean Tuesday night. I thought I'd do this one instead. There will be a live stream tomorrow, I think, Wednesday or Thursday. So I'll see you all then if you can make it. Bye, guys.